So, what you working on?
I just finally got the VMP blower set on there. Got a few of the AN lines ran for the fuel. About to do a 6 AN line for the return. And just getting it done. This thing's gonna be wild. Excited to see this one on the dyno.
I think last time it made like 700 of the tire.
I think it should make that no sweat.
All right, Frank, what's going on this week?
We are wrapping up this twin turbo C10.
So we got a trans back in, motor's obviously back in.
Yep, motor's back in, got the intake bolted on, got turbos back on.
I think we're sending those out to be coated this week.
So.
Should be quick turnaround.
Yeah.
What trans is in this thing?
It is a built 4L80 billet converter. It's running a Holley EFI.
So, how much power you think it's gonna make?
I'd say all of probably 800.
All right, guys. So it's day 2 of us dialing in this FT600 from Fuel Tech on this Pontiac Firebird that we've got on the dyno. Not really trying to make power. In all reality, this car should really be on a hub dyno to see what kind of power it's making. But just making sure all the functions of the FT600 work. And then we're going to take this thing to the track with the owner of the car and dial it in, get some timing in it, and hopefully make some fast passes.